warning in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. The National Weather Service in Pendleton has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: Long Creek, North Powder, Ukiah. Snow accumulations: 6 to 10 inches. Timing: snow will start Wednesday morning and increase during the day. Snow will potentially continue off and on through early Thursday morning. Impacts: area roadways will be snow-covered and slick. Less traveled side roads could become impassable. The visibility will be poor at times. Hazard elevation: all elevations wind southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.